In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize project dashboards in Stack. By the end, you'll know how to turn a standard project view into a focused command center that highlights exactly what your team needs to see. Start by signing into Stack Build and opening the project you want to work with. Inside the project, go to the dashboard. For many accounts, the dashboard is the default landing view once you're in a project. If you don't see the options to edit or filter, check your permissions. You'll need editor or admin access to customize what appears. Otherwise, you'll be limited to viewing what's already set up. Next, decide what you want the dashboard to show. Dashboards in Stack are driven by the data already in your project, and you curate that view by selecting sources and applying filters. Think about the questions you're trying to answer at a glance. Do you need a quick workflow status summary to see what's moving and what's stuck? Are you tracking open versus closed issues to measure progress? Maybe you want recent daily reports so the latest field notes and updates are front and center. Photos and recent activity can give you a snapshot of what's happening on site. Depending on your plan, you can also include cost or estimate summaries to keep an eye on budgets. The key idea is that every tile should earn its place by answering a real, recurring question. Now for the most important part, filters. Filters control exactly which records flow into each dashboard section, and that's where you dial in relevance. Set a date range to keep the view timely. This week, the last 30 days, or a custom window if you're reviewing a specific phase. Choose a status such as open, in progress, or completed to focus on active work or verify closure. Filter by assigned to, whether that's a specific user or a trade, to align accountability. Use category or type to separate inspections, RFIs, punch items, or any custom grouping you use. Apply priority if you want urgent items to float to the top. Combine these filters thoughtfully. Start broad, then narrow until the noise disappears. Here's a practical example. Filter to show only open issues due this week, assigned to electrical. Instantly, your dashboard becomes a daily action board for that team, making stand-ups faster and follow-up clearer. If something seems missing, double-check status, dates, or assignment. Filters are often the culprit. Keep your data updated, keep your filters intentional, and your dashboard will work as hard as you do.